Students, this is for the people who are preparing for November 21 examination. Okay, why this post? Okay, I will tell you. If you get rank in November 21, okay, your average salary will be 15 plus lakhs. Okay, I'm not talking about all rankers who have some knowledge in articleship plus you got rank. But if you are just passing, your marks will be like somewhere around 420, like that, 400 to 420, 430. Then normal average salary package is 6.5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs. That's the average salary. And yearly, imagine 12% increment. And after this corona effect, getting employment is going to be a very challenging job. The people who passed November 19 examination and who got the result in say January end, who waited for campus, who never got selected in campus, do you think they got job in this 2 months time? Okay, and going forward another 2-3 months also lockdown will be there, no face-to-face interview. Telephonic conversation will not be suitable for everyone. Yes, we have to go with it. So almost like 6 months they are going to be unemployed. Okay, now coming to July attempt, okay, it's going to be very tough because psychologically we are all affected. So very difficult for the students to write July examination. See, someone can say that you have so much months time for preparation, but no one is preparing hard enough. That we know sure because of psychological problem. Now May 21 I will come later. Now I am targeting November 21 people. See, 5 months before the examination you should have completed all your classes, and don't go to any class in last 5 months. Okay, think well in advance, complete your classes well in advance and start your preparation. See, there are people who are going to classes for May examination till April. Those people life is going to get ruined because portions itself is not over for May examination. You all know that. Okay, they promised April first week we will complete the portion, but March 15th they closed the academy. Some people did online coaching classes and some people told sorry, bye-bye. Some academy itself got closed in March. So there is no more big academies in Chennai. Now, and it's always a competitive market. Money matters a lot. This is opportunity for someone to have their business strengthened in Chennai. Okay, so all those things. Okay, see, students also called as customers for big institutions. They don't bother about you sometimes. Not everyone, I'm telling you. See, now if you have to complete the classes 5 months before the examination, and imagine at least by June end I have to complete my classes. June end of 2021 you have to complete your classes. Now we are in May. You have exactly 1 year time and you have 8 subjects. Okay, you should have started your preparation by this time, April, May. You should have started your preparation. I will tell you 1.5 years time for your preparation. So first 1 year you can enjoy in your articles and start studying. So exactly after a year of articles you should start preparing for your final examination. So 1.5 years is preparation for classes and 2-3 months preparation for your examination self-study. So first always go for SFM, then SCMPE, because there is very less chance of change in syllabus here. Then your concentration should be auditing and FR, because auditing changes will be there but not high, because anyway if the changes is going to be there it will be in fiscal audit, GST and 44AB. Standards on auditing there won't be much change hereafter. Ind AS, see for example CFS, that may go change if they change Ind AS. Companies Act here and there they will go change, but anyway that you can be easily understand. So auditing will be relatively less change, and FR also relatively less change. So complete your SFM, SCMPE, then auditing, then FR, then law, DT and last IDT. And when you are preparing, make sure at least 2 subjects you are taking together It can be either in the morning or 1 in the morning or 1 in the evening. And for FR SEMPE, if you start, complete in 3.5 months. So for example, if you start in the month of April or May, it should be like May, June, July, you should have completed it. Okay, maybe August. Okay, maybe 3.5 to 4 months. Then you are taking auditing and FR. So exactly. Auditing, maximum 1 month you can complete. FR, it will take some time. So 3.5 to 4 months it will take time. Okay. Or imagine if you are going to take video classes, then you can complete big subjects in say 50 days time or 60 days time, and small subjects in say 15 days to 20 days maximum. Okay, start your preparation, complete your preparation well in advance. If you want any guidance, WhatsApp me 99405 I will guide you. It's not about the faculty, it's about you. That's what I will try to say. It's not about the faculty, it's about you. Okay, prepare well in advance. Start writing test. It's not the test series is important, it's like you have to take the test. Okay, there should be a personal mentor for you. I am there for you, don't worry. I am there, my juniors are there, they will mentor you, don't worry. So come out of the bad psychology, start preparing now. We are with you. All the best.